Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your RedNote app account. It's a process, and adding your number can help protect your account and enable additional features. So let's jump right in. Open the RedNote app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the RedNote app on the home page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see 3 lines that you will click on. Then, on the next page, in the drop-down menu, go down to the Settings option in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will also find the option, Account Security in the drop-down menu, and then click on it. The app will open the next page where you will find the mobile option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see for yourself, you need to enter your phone number in the empty field, and then in the next code that you will receive via text message. Once you have filled in all the fields and received the code, all that remains is to click on the OK option. And that's it. You have successfully added your phone number to the RedNote app. This not only secures your account, but also makes it easier to recover it if necessary. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and app tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.